Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for tuning in. Thank you so much for coming. Please kindly subscribe or like a video, share a video as well. So guys, I want to talk about Gogo Skhotheni. I can see there's a lot of drama on TikTok. Gogo Skhotheni, like Gogo Skhotheni, if you amathwasana akhe engamblame ukuthi wabadlela imali wabathwasisa bangaqeda, ukhona umuntu ofuna imali yakhe back from about this one, ukhona ofuna imali yakhe about this one. Sengibona abantu abaningi nje on TikTok belokubeza uGogo Skhotheni wathatha imali, ukhona lo bekuthiwa wathi kube kuzoba ne-interview ke manje useza kuphiwe ke lapha kune live we uphiwe uyangenelela ke manje lo muntu uthi uGogo Skhotheni ke wamthathela imali yakhe yweni manje ke waya khona lapha kaSkhotheni for i-podcast, and then she paid money, and then now ufuna imali yakhe ngoba yey manje na amathwasana nawo ke manje ke imali zabintwaso ayiphelela yey ayikuningi uGogo Skhotheni. Why people are always coming for Gogo Skhotheni wasenza ukuthi kwangathi imali lethu sabhadala ukuthi kwangathi? Why Gogo Skhotheni all that drama? Usuthi yaya ka TikTok uGogo Skhotheni eksene imintambama Gogo Skhotheni ay bafet no nansi le live engikhuluma ngayo angazi ke lapha amathwasana bambiza ubaba. I think simply because uSkhotheni idlozi mhlambe lo muntu ubaba, so bambiza baba akiri uGogo Skhotheni, meaning idlozi lakhe uSkhotheni. So mabethu ubaba nje bakhuluma ngani ngedlozi, something like that. Angithina she's a woman but idlozi lokuya I think lesilisa, something like that. Ay kuningi lapha kule ndawo manje. Why lezi zinto sizo discuss ka TikTok? Yabona le ndaba ngizwile i-deep ongawo ukuthi bekumele bayi-discussing ngasese not ka TikTok bafowethu. Like indaba zamadlozi zibekwe epepeni enenge kwasho abantu nje zinekiwe nje. No.
Don't appreciate. Khulumani benithatha incwadi yami ama-client intshontsha ama-client ngifonela ama-client. Khulumani qiniso manina. Ama-client ma wanifonela athi ngifuna uSkhotheni uthi hayi ubhizi loyo mina ngizokhona ukukusiza. Speak. Yanishaya impilo manje, nishayela la masimbe beningenza wona nina. Yanishaya manje because of what you guys did to me, because you wanted to steal what my ancestors gave me. Khulumani qiniso. Ngithatha izinto imali yami nitshontshe. Sorry for tukaning. So khulumani. Ngicela ama-client lawa atshontshelwe imali zabo bavubuye. I was paying. I-client yafika endumbeni izogezwa. Yezwa, i-client yafika endumbeni izogeza. I-client kanti inemali ebhekini bahamba bayemfuleni bayogeza i-client, because I used to have so many clients. I'm busy consulting. Uyahamba uthatha i-client oyigeza endumbeni. Mawuthi wabona imali emotweni ye-client wathatha leyo mali. I-client analifika endlini imali yakhe ayikho. I paid for you kule client. Wathatha imali wena wathenga utshwala wathenga insangu. Mina thatha yami imali nga replace client because client tells him Khulumani how you guys would see my brothers as your boyfriends. Khulumani how you guys would force yourself wanting to be in a relationship with my brothers. Njalo nginikhuza ngithi I know my brothers bayekeleni. Khulumani how you guys as Skhotheni dated the same person. Nize nishayelana amadoda. Khulumani how you guys would want to poison each other as Skhotheni, and I always had to drive ngama AM to come and reprimand you guys. Khulumani how you guys would exchange ngigqoka amajini ngaphansi kwezendane nishizendane phansi niyanka amagate nihambe netshwaleni. Speak. Khulumani how you guys would take i-numbers ama-client niskema ama-client nizenze mina. Niskema ama-client nizenze mina. My-client were not scammed by people I don't know. Khulumani how you guys hacked my number ye WhatsApp nazenza mina. You guys were stealing from me and you were stealing for my clients as well. Speak. Don't come here and play victim. I said I don't want to speak bad about you guys yesterday, but you guys, you come here and shout at me? You guys come here and shout at me? After all the sacrifices I've flippin' made for you? Khulumani how ngelanga lokugcina lentwaso you'll kneel down and say Thokoza anye ngikhona ukuthwasa mangithi why uthi baba ekhaya akunamali, then I'll say uzothwasa and ngithwasise ngiyami imali. Speak. You are gifted to lay. You are gifted in your own way. So mangikuphaphamiswa ukuthi yela phaphama ubheke the darkness of ubungoma uhlale ku calling yakho. I'm wrong. You cannot blame me because of lack of faith that you guys have. You guys don't need me. Ngifundisile kwanele. Thatha imfundiso yami ukhuphuke nayo. Ugobela wami knows nothing about me. Zingishayile vungvungu spiritually. I stood on my own. I stood strong on my own because I've got a backbone of which is God and my ancestors, and I believe in that. I don't like umtholo wogobela wami. Impilo ingishayile ngama. Nina nifuna ngishaye kuphi? Even nifuna inishaye bese mina ngibe there for nina. I'm not blaming you guys that you didn't come to abazange bangisupport ngomncabo mntanami. No, it's not because of that. I'm raising the perfect ukuthi kushone ithwasa. Lelo thwasa malishona, I didn't go. I have my reasons why I didn't go. You guys don't even ask me anything about it.
Baba kushona mangaka amathwasa.
Ngicela ukukhuluma ngithatha uNonhlanhla. Ngithatha uNonhlanhla ngabeka uNonhlanhla la ngathi Nonhlanhla you ozophatha impande yami. Nganikeza uNonhlanhla umpande, nganikeza uNonhlanhla yonke into ngathi thatha impande yami. Maniphume esikhupheni sami, ninencwadi ena 152 pages. Yes? Nibatshela abantu neqiniso. Ninencwadi ena 152 pages. Inomuthi iyabhala ukuthi uma uphethwe ikhanda hlanganisa lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Uma uphethwe yinto eso hlanganisa nalokhu nalokhu. Ngikunikeza leyo ncwadi ngisho noma ungangikhokhelanga. Ngiyakunikeza maceda bazongena la kulafi bathi vela ngeke size sikhokhela. It is not my fault. It is not my fault that after isikhupha impilo kayihlangana, pick up your pieces and fight for yourself. I don't owe anybody shit. I owe nobody anything. I taught you respect. I teach God simply because you guys don't believe in God. You want to blame me. I am not there for you because I don't want to be there. Don't blame me. Angifuni. Manje ngilalani? Angifuni empilweni yami.
Still.
Angifuni. If you guys feel, if you guys uhlale esikhupheni sami, angisakhumbuli for how long. So what I'm saying is, if wena ufila ukuthi la uhlele khona bonganeliseki bosahlelelani uze uyothwasa ekugcineni, angithi wena usikhothena kakufundisa kenze next, then on ngemonth yobus 3 usahleli uhleleleni ungahambi igate alikhiwa uhleleleni khona ke wahamba mina esikhupheni ngamlanda ngathi uhambeleni why ungesekho. I don't do that. Uhleleleni if I am not of value for you, or I don't put anything empilweni yakho, uhleleleni. Don't fall into a trap that you are not there. Wena uyazisebenzela, wena
thina ukuthi ufunani, and abantu bayabhala. And mina angena umuntu social media uthola ukuthi even umnyeni wami ukhona la ku social media angisendela sithule bokuba bakutheni buka abantu bathi abantwana bathwasisile bona bathini baphi. Fine abantwana benzile wrong, yini isinqumo kade usithatha ngoba lento kade yenzeka ekhaya kini, isiphi isinqumo kade usithatha. Okwesibili baba, okay wahamba kasuka abantwana bayi Harry Smith. Harry Smith baba ugugu umntanami ulo wayese Harry Smith, yini into wayenze abantwana laba base Harry Smith belalana benza zonke izinto, isiphi isinqumo wena that you took njengogobelo wasithatha.
Ngiphendule benzani
belalana.
Ngiyabonga.
Yini into eyenza sibelalana baba? Yini into ekade benza ukuthi balalane?
Bebehalelana mina ngenaphi ukuthi balalane.
Kanjani kwa phela abantwana abadla ibhudla libabulalini?
Hayi cha wethule, are you blaming me ukuthi wena ungangiblame ukuthi wena nibadala abanye nibadala nakimi ngintshela umthetho maningena manhlule ekophe yanomthetho ngiyenzeni nginithunge ngesesh phambili
bebengalidli baba
ngesesh akusiyona inkinga yami ukuthi nina nifuna ukubhabhana
ibhudlu baba bebengalidli impande bebengalidli ibhudlu
no
bebevukelwa
ichoice yabo lalikhona ichoice bengafuni
ngifika mina
thule cha unamanga
mina Harry Smith ngifika ngomhla ka3 ngalingekho.
Let's start
hamba sawuthenga tshela umamzami ngafonela.
Don't shout.
Sanibonani.
Don't shout at me. Ask it kancane mama. Thule, don't shout.
Baba sorry ukuthi this thing
No. Don't shout at me because angeke ngize ngithathe umthwalo wabanye abantu. Mina esikhupheni ngangithwasa ngedwa. Ugobela wangitshela umthetho kayi1 and ngangigcina ngaze ngaphimwa esikhupheni. Every time nginifonela ugobela wami ukuthi akhulume nani, angitshela ukuthi I behaved from day 1 until the last ngangikhalelwa nami esikhupheni hayi ukuthi
belidla yini
babekhona abafana esikhupheni kodwa azanke nje ngilale nabafana so awukwazi ukungibhela ukuthi wena elakhe ibhontshisi alikhona ukuzibamba wena uzibambe kanjani ngifika isikhathi sokuthi ningalishaya ibhudlu kwanina wena uhlale njani ungayenzi into ezisnacks esikhupheni because wena awuzenzanga into ezi-snacks so awukwazi ukukhulumela abantu abazenzile into ezi-snacks and however I'm still saying I got tired angisafuni into enamathwasa why can't you guys respect that I got tired imfundiso nayazi inhlonipho nayazi umkhuleko nayazi and right now when I speak about ungoma I don't speak about your calling you guys are failing to differentiate between ubungoma and your calling and you're making it my problem when I speak about ubungoma it has nothing to do with your calling njengoba une calling I'm doing me now and you guys should respect that.
Okay, siyakuzwa baba uyezwakala siya understand ama reasons wakho thina ke esingafebanga thina singafebanga esikhupheni
uma nobani asikisi mntana Hello Talu njalo mntanami
ngiyanawe thina singafebanga ke esikhupheni ke thina manje why thina ezinye izinto esicele kubaba bese zingenziwa okay mhlawumbe ubaba mina ke ngikhulumela iside lami mina by the time ngithwasa ubaba beya busy nendaba za boy and I understand ukuthi hayi ubaba ubusy umntwana uyagula nako konke lokho ezinye izinto bengitshela ezinye ngibuye ngithule ungibuze after ukuthi how why ungashongo ngithi no inkinga ukuthi angithi ngibonile uboy bekako ICU nini okay sharp but kunezinye izinto esithi masizicela kuubaba to be honest baba yabona indaba yokublutika somehow ayihlali kahle wena imababa ngicela ukukhuluma ngilalelile na rasa mina ngifuna ukurasa sizokhuluma kahle uyangazi mina ngeke ngizokubangela umsindo egcineni kosuku angithi ngokuhloniphile ngiyahlonipha futhi still because egcineni kosuku noma ngingayaphi ngepha ngeke ngisaphuza futhi ingazi futhi ngiphuzise omunye umuntu noma ngathi bathi ngiyaphapharaza ngiyotshintsha bathi ngiyophuza impande kodwa impande yokuqala yanginika ubukhosi eyakho so ngalokho ke ngiyohlezi ngihlonipha still but baba into esikhalisayo ezabangoma futhi ngingathi umkhambathi mina khalisayo namhlanje till today eyesithunywa sami engazange yalungiswa namhlanje most of the things engizifeyisayo ngishaywa na yidalwa zami and ebhlungu ukuthi angiyazi ukuthi akukho la ngiyophumela khona futhi kulunge ngoba yonke into nemilayezo ifika ngawe ifika ngokuthi hamba otshela ubabakho ukuthi nokuthi and I've told you lokho before abosipha bayazi so ngikhuluma amagama abantu okay abangoma babeke ezikhundleni bayazi bazamile nabo ukulungisa ngendlela bekumele balungise ngayo bahluleka still and uyakwazi lo so futhi enye into futhi mhlambe esibangela umsindo ukuthi abantu bakubuye bangasithembi mawuzothi wena ubungoma bunobumnyama bese thina sifike emgidini or sifike kibo sithi thina ubabethu abayi understand njengoba ubona ukuthi thina si understand nabo self labantu abakulandelayo abayi understand nabo self nabo sithi bafana nathi bayithatha ngalendlela leyo ukuthi mawuthi bumnyama shuthi thina yikho into esiyaziyo wena uyadeda uya ku Christianity thina sisala kuphi ke
okay Simangele unjani mntana
ngiyaphila baba
ngiyaphila ngibonga ukuzehlisa yes ngiyabonga kakhulu Simangele sithanda sami